Hello students, welcome to RBI Objective MCQ series. Today we'll be discussing one important topic that is from reports which was released in March. Report that was released in March 2024. This is one of the important topics, students. You might get question from this. That is Household Consumption and Expenditure Survey. Household Consumption and Expenditure Survey (HCES). This is designed to collect information on the consumption of goods and services by households. Okay. Initially, this was conducted every year. Okay. Starting from 1950-51. However, since its 26th round, the survey has been conducted roughly every 5 years. Okay. Every 5 years. This was released actually in 2017. Previously, it was released in 2017, but it was not accepted by Government of India due to data inadequacy. Okay. Now the inadequacy. Now this report has been released for HCES 2022-23. Okay. This is released like this was published after 10 years because 2017 was not released officially. It has been 10 years. After a gap of 10 years, this report is being released. Last report was in 2011-12. Okay. The data from the survey is useful for understanding consumption and expenditure patterns, standard of living, well-being of households. It can play a key role in reviewing critical economical indicators like CPI, consumer price, inflation, GDP, and poverty levels. Okay, clear, students? Now let's see the MCQs for this. On this, this household consumption expenditure survey 2022-23 was conducted by, first question, students, HCES is conducted by whom? Options are Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Labor Bureau, National Sample Survey Office, Office of Economic Advisor, Ministry of Commerce. The answer is option C, students. It is National Sample Survey Office. It is an attached office of NSO. Okay. There are two offices of NSO, that is CSO and NSSO. NSSO releases this Household Consumption Expenditure Survey. Clear? Next. According to Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2022-23, average monthly per capita income expenditure MPCE for rural India is rupees dash. Options are 3,702, 3,773, 4,800, 4,300, none of them. The answer is option B, students. It is 3,773 rupees in rural India. Remember this. It is in rural India. Average monthly per capita income expenditure for rural India is 3,773 rupees. Clear? Let's see the third question. According to Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2022-23, 9 states lagged behind the national average in MPC. Which of the following state is not one of them? Is not one of them. Okay, read the question carefully. Options are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal. Which of the following state is not one of them, which is lagging behind the national average in MPC? The answer is option D, students. It is Andhra Pradesh. It is MPC is above the national average of Andhra Pradesh. The other 4 states, it is below average. Clear? Next. According to Household Consumption Expenditure Survey, MPC is highest and lowest in which of the following states? Options are Uttar Pradesh, students, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Bihar, Karnataka, Odisha, Sikkim, Chhattisgarh. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Bihar, Karnataka, Odisha, Sikkim, Chhattisgarh. The answer is option E, students. It is Sikkim and Chhattisgarh. Okay, highest is in Sikkim and lowest is in Chhattisgarh. Clear? Next. According to Household Consumption Expenditure Survey, consumption expenditure of agriculture households falls below the rural average for the first time with MPCE for agriculture households being rupees dash. Options 3566, 3785, 3702, 3963, none of the above. Students, you can eliminate two options, okay, easily, because here rural India it is 3773, so you can eliminate 3785 and 3963 easily. You have to know choose between these two. So the answer is option C, 3702 rupees, 3702 rupees for agricultural households. Clear? Next question, students. Consider the following statements regarding the findings of HCES 22-23. Gap between the MPCA of agricultural families and the overall average of rural households has been widening over the years. In rural areas, STs reported the lowest MPCE, followed by SCs, both less than the rural average. In urban areas, SCs reported the lowest MPCE, followed by STs and OBCs, all less than the average MPCE in urban areas. Which of the following statements are correct? Options are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, all 1, 2, 3, none of them. Students, the answer to this question is option B. 2 and 3 statements are correct. Option 1 statement is incorrect because the gap between MPCA of agricultural families and overall average of rural households has been narrowing. It is not widening. Okay. That is why this becomes wrong. The other two statements are correct. Is it clear, students? Okay. Let's say the last question. According to Household Consumption Expenditure Survey, average monthly per capita income expenditure for urban India is rupees 7,000. We have seen rural India. Let's see that urban India. 7,233 rupees, 6,459, 8,333, 7,733, none of them. The answer is option B, students. It is 6,459. Is it clear? The answer is option B, 6,459 rupees for urban India. Clear, students? It is 6,459 rupees for urban India. Clear, students? So these are the important things, students, which you have to remember from Household Consumption Expenditures Survey. That's it for today's session, students. We'll take up another topic in the next class. Thank you.